unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Kuna raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Iko raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Kuna raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Iko raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Kuna raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Iko raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Kuna raha unapozaliwa mara ya pili. Zaliwa baba, zaliwa mama.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, good morning. I'm very happy to see you. I'm from Tabora village. Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new there watching me, my name is Eliza. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video, comment guys, and share my video. So today I'm very happy guys. It is a cool morning here, you can just see. Yeah, and now I want to go to the job. Kindly guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and share my video. So let's go to my job guys. I can just see here something here guys. Let me show you. This is what it looks like, mushroom, but it's not the real mushroom. So, and also here I'm just carrying shower cap to cover my hair because you can just see the rain is just almost to rain, and it is a morning here. There's I'm wearing heavy jacket. Yeah, so I'm heading to my job, Mabera, and here in our village here they have already started circumcision guys. They are circumcision boys, but I have not seen any girl here being circumcised. Yeah, so let's go. If I get them there, I will show you how they celebrate this, their circumcised in Korean village. So let's go to my job guys. So I'm from Mabera now guys. Here I have arrived. Open the door. Nobody's here guys. So this is where I usually do my job guys. So guys, this is where I usually do as an employee. Yeah, my boss is not here. She's shooting. They are shooting their church choir. Yeah, she usually sing like me. Yeah, and here's us now. I'm waiting customers guys. Yeah, consider guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and watch my video from the beginning to the end guys. So this is Mabera village town. Yeah, I hope today you're going to enjoy my video guys, so keep tuned. Yeah, so guys, because there is no customers at the salon, I have decided to go and take somewhere. I'm going somewhere guys, and I hope we are going together. Yeah, so there is no customers, so I have to go and visit my mom, and also I see how the work is going on. So let's go home and we will appreciate. I'm going home. I have just met my friend here.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm so fine.
You're good.
I'm good. How about you?
And also me, I'm good.
Yes.
I thank God because we have met. This is the
great.
first day.
Yes, it was to meet to your channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, so guys, welcome to _Eliza YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you are first time to join this channel. Take her to 5,000. Yes, so he's doing a lot of amazing video about our village. Yes, in different places of our village. So subscribe and watch also video full, and also don't skip ad. Already you are in monetization.
Yeah.
Yes, so also don't skip ad to help her to get something end of the month in YouTube. So also you can check me out also, Kino_Elisha. Also subscribe there to take me to 5,000. Yes, it's like that in short. So my sister,
Yeah.
You're heading
I'm heading home now.
Yes, also me are heading Abwanse. Yes, to look something one too. You know, now is time of lunch.
Lunch hour.
Yeah, so people look something of lunch and many things.
So it means you are going to a hotel or you are going to buy?
Not hotel. You know, we are single, so we buy something, we're going to prepare home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So and you thank you also to
Yeah.
hosting me.
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, let's go. This was the just I met him and we have to say hi. Yes. So I'm happy to see you again. If you're new there watching me, kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't skip the ads and like my video, comment, guys. Yeah, and I will appreciate God because of this. So guys, let's go. So as you can see, this house is slaughterhouse. How do you call this house, guys? The house which cows are slaughtering here. Yeah, so I have arrived here. From here to my home is not far. It's just down there. You are seeing in that trees. Yeah. How do we call this house? Is it slaughterhouse of cow, guys? I hope you're going to just say it in comment section, guys. So I'm near to arrive home. As you can see, there is you see the red things coming from there is home of a road boy. It means I'm near to arrive home. I'm just passing here. Tobaccos here in our village, people knows how to farm, guys. We thank God because we were given a very beautiful green land. Yeah, guys, just see this one here is the millet or sorghum. You know, I don't know whether this one is it sorghum or millet. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Home. Guys, I have just arrived. I am near now to arrive at home. I'm just seeing my brother there. Don't know what he's planting. Guys, let's go and say hi to him before we enter inside. We want to go and greet him. So today I'm not going to pass there. I'm going to pass through the main gate. Yeah. Barak, you are planting onions. Wow. Eh. You hear good because the rain yesterday. It rains. Hi. So Barak, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're good.
Yeah, I'm planting here some onion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that
You'll be selling.
yeah.
That's good idea.
Money.
Yeah. How are you doing here now?
What?
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, but yeah, I'm doing good.
That you have said, but
Yeah.
Agi have already come.
Yeah.
She has come by now all
No,
morning.
at morning.
She came morning.
Yeah.
So this is how you plant the onion. You remove the upper leaves.
Yeah, upward. Like that. Like this one. Yeah, so guys, yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, guys. Welcome to It's underscore Eliza YouTube channel. Yeah, guys. My name is Baraka. Yeah. As you can see here, I'm planting some onion, guys. Yeah, so that when it germinate, I got a sale, you know. Yeah.
You get money.
I'm getting money, so that the money can keep. I keep that money for future user, guys. Yeah. Thank you very much. Watch this video until the end. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is how you plant.
Yeah.
Wow, you just continue.
Okay.
Let me go and greet people inside. Today I'm passing here. So you can see. So, Dad, good afternoon.
Afternoon too.
How are you?
I'm fine. How guys? How about your home, man?
We are doing good.
You are doing good.
Yeah,
And here we are good.
yeah,
Yeah. So we
Thank-
are going to lunch.
yeah.
Hey, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi guys. How are you? All of us. Welcome to Mama Ann. We go to take something inside. Okay. Good. Thank you.
How are you?
Hi Eliza.
Well, good.
Karibu.
Thank you.
Unaendeleaje?
Salam.
Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Sisi tunakaa hapa tunapumzika.
Sis,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
I thank God. I see today at least I'm feeling good. Though yesterday I was not feeling good, but today I see I'm feeling better. Yeah, so guys, welcome back to It's Eliza YouTube channel. My name is Agi. Yeah, as you can see, we are just sitting here with my mom, chatting, talking, yani exchanging some words, 1 to 2 words, yeah, and also supervising the work. Yeah, so she's welcome.
Thank you. And also my brother is here.
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to It Is Underscore Eliza. So I'm happy because I see the work is still going on. I'm just seeing what is going on, guys. So kindly go and check me out. My name is Noel Chacha. Subscribe. So you are welcome.
Thank you. Dad, what are you eating?
I'm eating ugari.
Green
With
veggies.
the greens. Welcome.
Thank you. Me, I'm full.
You're full.
Yeah. So let's go and see my husband. He came here to do work, so I have to go and check what he's doing. Wow. Hey,
Yes, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes. Okay. I'm an engineer James Plumber. Today I'm here early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I can tell you why me I want to do something.
Yeah.
There's something is going on. So you can see the base. So you can see the base of tank is already going to finish.
I never knew this work like this with my in-laws.
Yeah,
This is where the tank will be.
yeah, you put. Yes, yes. And then the gutters are going to start from there. This side. But today I want to see here. I want to see the fisher board. How can you connect board? Fisher board after the the gutters coming,
You put.
they put the fisher board around the house. Fisher board. Kama hizo zimepigwa, kama hizo. Kama hizo tunaona hapo zimepigwa fisher board hapa. Hapa pia tunafaa kuweka fisher board around. Ndio sasa tunaweka hizo gutters. Yes.
Hey, congratulations, you know how to do lumber, James.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, that is my husband and so is my in-law.
Yes.
Yes. Hi, I'm Charles. My name is Charles. I'm Fundi. Yes.
Yeah.
So why? Can you see the kitchen?
Well, good patient.
I'm good.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Hey, transformation here.
You are wondering.
I'm wondering.
I'm seriously working.
Hata kana hapo kabisa. Without five because
I'm busy.
Maybe you know this work.
I have an engineer here.
Here is here.
He's seriously teaching on how to do work.
yes, the one is going so simple. Very nice. You can see, you can
So you want to put this on?
Yeah.
Oh, let me wait now. The kitchen is about to be. Wow.
Hey guys, good evening, good morning. Welcome back to It_Elizabeth YouTube channel. My name is Joel, guys, and today I'm at home. I'm doing some work. Yeah, let me show you. So guys, today I'm a handyman. Sumanjambe Joy. I'm adding some cement here.
Yep, so let me go and check the house of the rabbits. Are they inside? Yes. They're there, guys. How many are they there? So this is the house of the rabbits, guys. So let me appreciate, guys, for what you are doing in this family. God bless you so much. Let me just appreciate each and everyone, the people who are watching us. God bless you so much. We really appreciate God because of you. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, kindly check me out. It's _Eliza. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to like my video. Yeah, so today I really appreciate God because of what God is doing in this family. You can just see this is the house of our neighbor here. Yeah, thank you. Hey, I'm surprised here, Mom. I've just come to cook inside here because of the rain. The rain is raining outside there. That's why he has put here the stones. And now I want to cook the omena, guys.
Nyamaza. Nyamaza.
Yeah, so guys, So I want to cook the small fish. This one here. I have to dry this sufuria, then I put my what is it? Today I'm watching only warm water. Nyamaza. Ini tuonekana. Angalia. So I hope now the small fish is already you can just see now. This is from the mason. I'm going to give them. So thank you for watching. I have not put anything. It's just only the salt and oil, guys. And I hope they will enjoy my meal. So yeah, this is how I cook. Thank you for watching. God bless you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly check me out. It's Anna_Eliza. Subscribe, guys. Like my video, comment, and don't forget to to share my video. So I love you guys. I really appreciate you because of you. We will meet in another video. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.